Well, we continue to follow the snow heading our way. Everyone in our area is under a winter storm warning. Our chief meteorologist Albert Ramon in the weather sphere there with all the latest tracks. Albert.
Yeah, and Erica, everyone in our area has a solid chance of seeing at least 6 inches of snowfall, and we'll show you the projections. There could even be a few pockets of 8 to 12 inches of snowfall by the time it's all said and done. So let's turn on the snow machine, and you'll see bottom right of your screen how the snow moves in as we head into tomorrow morning. It's widespread tomorrow afternoon, and it could be heavy, and we're still looking at snowfall tomorrow night. This time tomorrow night, it's going to be mainly light to moderate snow, and we'll stop the clock at 6 a.m. on Sunday with the snow beginning to pull out of the area. We're going to have travel issues, though, all weekend long. The most dangerous part of traveling tomorrow is noon to 8 p.m. That's when we can have some intense snowfall rates. Blowing and drifting snow is also in the forecast. So let's work on the timeline here. Tonight, midnight to 5 a.m., snow will continue to increase from west to east. It'll be on the light side. It's going to take some time for our atmosphere to moisten up or get a little bit more saturated. From 5 a.m. to noon tomorrow, widespread light to moderate snow. So a few inches, that starts to get going by mid-morning, may even have as much as 5-6 inches in some spots by lunchtime. But it's lunchtime to 8 p.m. again. That's when we have the peak of this winter storm. Could have some intense snowfall, blowing snow with gusty winds out of the south and southeast. And this is when the snow is really going to add up. Snowfall amounts widespread 6 to 10 inches. But the new update from the Weather Center is showing the potential for pockets of 8 to 12 inches, especially in North Shore, northwestern suburbs, western suburbs, southwestern suburbs, even pockets of 8 to 12 inches possible here in northwest Indiana. But from Chicago down to Chicago Heights to Kankakee, our range will be 6 to 10 inches. This is one of the brand new forecast models that just came out at 10 o'clock, and you can see how this is really hinting at some places seeing 11 inches, maybe close to a foot in Joliet and Morris, maybe over a foot in DeKalb, but we're in that 9 to 10 inch range in Cook County. We'll zoom in, we'll start up here towards the North Shore. 8, 9, 10 inches of snowfall looks likely. Portions of Will County and DuPage County could see as much as 11 inches, if not more. So everything's in line. All the data is in line for this to be a meaningful event. And even here along the rim of the lake in northwest Indiana, 7 to 11 inches of snowfall is in the forecast. So we're quiet right now on the Doppler radar. A few flakes are beginning to fly right now in far western sections of LaSalle County out around Mendota and Peru. But you see a lot of moisture, a lot of snow beginning to increase right now in Iowa, and that's going to be increasing overnight and really get going as we head towards tomorrow afternoon. So there's 5 a.m., light snow, light to moderate through mid-morning, and then heavy snow. It's in the forecast as we head into the afternoon with temperatures in the 20s, blowing snow with gusty winds out of the southeast, light to moderate snow for tomorrow night, and then finally this system begins to pull away from us as we head into your Sunday morning. Bad travel conditions for tomorrow, and then dangerous travel conditions tomorrow evening, and slippery spots going to continue all weekend long. So weather alerts in place for both your Saturday and Sunday, and we now have a weather alert in place for Monday. Another system comes in, not as strong, but additional 2+ inches of snowfall possible late in the day Monday into Monday night. That could cause some slick spots. So weather alert posted on Monday, and it's cold next week, Erica. Look at Thursday, the high temperature of only 19 degrees. Lots of coverage on the stream and on TV all day tomorrow with myself and Kylie. So stay tuned to CBS. Yes. We'll keep you updated.
All right. We know you're on top of it. Albert, thank you.